Welcome back. When most people think of a cyber attack, they imagine a smash and grab robbery. A hacker kicks in the digital door, grabs credit card numbers, and runs before the cops show up. But what if the burglar didn't run? What if they quietly picked the lock, moved into your attic, tapped your phone, read your diary, and lived there for a year without you ever knowing? That is not regular hacking. That is an advanced persistent threat, or APT. Today, we're breaking down the most dangerous, patient cyber threats in the world. To understand why these are nightmares for C-level executives, we need to break down the acronym. First, advanced. These aren't kids in a basement. These are often state-sponsored teams with massive budgets. They use custom-built malware and zero-day exploits, vulnerabilities that the software makers don't even know exist yet. Second, and most importantly, persistent. They aren't here for a quick ransomware payout. They are here to stay. Their goal is dwell time. If you patch the hole they came in through, they've already built 3 hidden backdoors to get back in. Third, threat. These are highly motivated humans with specific targets, military secrets, intellectual property, or political intelligence. An APT doesn't just happen. It follows a methodological lifecycle, often called the cyber kill chain. It starts with reconnaissance. They study the target company for months, looking for weak links on LinkedIn or unsecured servers. Next is infiltration, usually a highly targeted spear phishing email that fools one employee. Once inside, they establish a foothold. They plant remote access tools so they can come and go as they please. Then, they escalate privileges. They steal admin credentials so they own the network. Next is lateral movement. The spy starts moving room to room, computer to computer, looking for the crown jewels, the sensitive data. Then, exfiltration. They don't just dump data. They slowly trickle it out to avoid triggering alarms. Finally, maintenance. They cover their tracks, deleting logs to remain invisible. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Remember SolarWinds? Russian state actors compromised a software update and got inside 18,000 networks, including the US government, undetected for months. Look at the Lazarus Group out of North Korea. In 2024 and 2025, they've been posing as legitimate job recruiters on social media to trick developers in the crypto space into downloading malware. And perhaps terrifyingly, Operation Triangulation. This targeted iPhones using a zero-click exploit. You received an iMessage. You didn't even have to open it, and your phone was compromised. That is the level of advanced we are dealing with. The scariest thing about an APT isn't the malware, it's the silence. The average time it takes a company to realize an APT is inside their network is often over 200 days. They are the ghosts in the machine. If this scared you a little bit, good. It means you're paying attention. If you want to know how to defend against these ghosts, smash that like button. If we get enough engagement, I'll make a follow-up video on the APT defense checklist. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.